stupid! I've already done this once!
Said it time and time again, I'm not a baker. I'm not even good at opening cans.
And thanks for watching. I really hate the outros. I don't know what to do.
Hey, I'm Ryan. Welcome back to The Way We Hunt. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you are a return subscriber, we really appreciate it. It means the world to us. Before we get started, please like this video. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. And that notification bell down there, go ahead and click that. That way you'll be notified of all our new content. Before we get into our recipe, if you notice, I'm wearing kind of a cool hat. Oh wait, he's wearing kind of a cool hat too. Hey, this is Justin Townsend from Harvesting Nature, and I have one of his hats on. How can they purchase a hat?
So if you go to harvestingnature.com, hit the store link, you can get that. It's a camo dad hat. This is an Eat More Wild game if you can't read it. So pretty sweet, fits great.
If you want one of our hats, we do not have a store, although they are rad hats. Get a hold of us, send us a message, drop us a PM, drop us a DM, go and slide up in there, and we will get back to you on how you can purchase one, be through PayPal, Venmo, anything like that. Anyways, I guess we can get on with the cooking part of the video.
Yeah.
Now. What are we making?
So we're making Dove Wellington. So this is kind of a smorgasbord of an idea I had one day when we were out camping and we shot one dove. And decided what we were gonna do. Had some croissants on hand and decided to throw them in the Dutch oven and put it on the campfire. Today we're gonna be doing it on the smoker and using croissants and stone ground mustard. So it's like a 3-ingredient Dove Wellington. Yeah, makes sense. So keep it super simple, but it's I'd say a fancier take on Dove Poppers.
Something different than Dove Poppers. We know you love Dove Poppers.
Yes. No.
The most overused recipe in the history of mankind, probably close to it.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with jalapenos. There's nothing wrong with dove breasts. There's nothing wrong with bacon or cheese or all those other things. But just at some point, it's time to venture out of the nest and try something different. And this is that.
All right, let's get to it, shall we?
Cool.
All right.
So first step, we got all the dove. We have all the dove, I guess like sternums. They're kind of not quite breasted out, but they're lacking wings and legs. So I'm essentially just going to take them off the bone, all of them, put them in a bowl, toss them with some stone ground mustard, and then we're going to wrap them in croissants and put them on the sheet. Pretty simple. Keep an eye out as you're doing this for shot, because a cracked tooth is not a fun way to end your dinner plans. So I'd say this make a good appetizer, holiday, anything really. If you have enough of them, you eat some. So you see it's pretty small. If you wanted to go smaller, you could cut it in half. I would definitely just keep the whole thing. So we're gonna put it in there. We'll hit the other side.
Why stone ground?
I just like the consistency of the stone ground better. It just seems to have some more flavors. I don't know, texture. Seems legit. You could also use like German mustard, anything. I mean, if you really wanted, you could use regular yellow mustard, but just to kind of play around with the flavors a little bit. But you just want to kind of lightly coat them just to give it some extra flavor inside there. So it does have, you know, the stone ground mustard. Turmeric's pretty common, salt, vinegar, and then obviously mustard seeds. An alternative, if you wanted to make your own, you could do like a pickled mustard seed and then grind it up. That's essentially how it's made. I'm gonna wash my hands. All right, so we take the croissants, just regular run-of-the-mill croissants from the store. If you're feeling fancy, make your own. Said it time and time again, I'm not a baker. I'm not even good at opening cans. There we go. Once again, not a baker. All right, so it comes eight per can. We're gonna use, I'm actually gonna take this and make it kind of a little square. So you just kind of fold it over, make it a square, stretch it out. That'll help hold the Dove breast more of a shape we need. So then essentially from here, you're just kind of essentially just making a little pocket of dough here. You'll end up with some stone ground bits on the outside, but just forming it. Try to put all the little mush on the bottom if you want. Goes onto the cooking pan, non-stick spray. And we'll go round 2. So I guess a simple way to fold in, fold over, end up with like a little square. You could actually probably put all this stuff on the inside and just kind of start folding over, tuck everything in. There's no real plan for this one. If you have any little pockets where the meat pokes out, just kind of fold your way around it. Not looking for any particular shape. Whatever works. Try to seal it in as best you can. There you go.
Emily always has the one.
We made it. Yes. Oh, there's no space. It's not symmetrical anymore. Sorry, little one. All right, so we have them all roughly formed into semi-rectangles, except for that one, which we won't comment on.
That little guy?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that
little guy. Don't worry about him. These are not the croissant you're looking for. So they're gonna go on the smoker, pellet smoker, for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, whatever the package says.
9 to 12 minutes.
9 to 12 minutes, and then we'll check them. So essentially, you're looking to try to get them semi-cooked on the inside as well as the outside, so we'll play around with that. So yeah.
Semi-cooked.
Let's give it a go. All right, into the Rectech. You like it? All right, so I think they're done. Had them on there about 10 to 15 minutes. So you really kind of watch how they cook. You got to move them around a little bit on the pan. Just make sure they're cooked evenly. But I think we're at a spot where the Dove inside should be cooked to our liking. Oh, that pan's hot.
Smells good.
It smells great. So, total experiment, but obviously learned some lessons, like some of the thinner wrapped ones. It will not, gravity's not good, so try to put the thicker portions on top. But overall, pretty excited.
Yeah.
Let's cut one open. This guy open? Let's see. Oh. Boom. Looks pretty done. No.
Little guy.
Oh.
Little guy.
Let's cut it open. There we go. That looks really good. Don't worry about the Dove not cooking, because as you can see, it's pretty well done. And then the inside of the dough is still very gooey, which is good. So should be good. Let's give it a try.
Really?
I will try one now. It smells really great. You can smell the mustard. Oh, really hot. Yeah, no Charlie. Very tender. Oh yeah, that's really great. Yeah, you want some? No, you can't have any. No, I like that for 3 ingredients. That's super simple. You can do that in camp. Do that for a football party or whatever. I mean, that literally took like minutes to do. The longest it took was putting it on the Rectech and grilling it for 15 minutes. So
would you choose a dipping sauce? Or just eat it straight?
And you could do, I think you could probably do any dipping sauce, like ranch, barbecue sauce,
Yeah.
or just like mustard,
Like a honey mustard?
Mhm.
Yeah.
and like a piece of cheese on the inside would be really good too, I think.
Maybe a good addition, yeah.
But for 3 ingredients, then call for cheese. But you can make it a 4 ingredient one. No, I think it turned out really well. That's great. We really appreciate it, guys. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, send all your buddies. We really appreciate it. This is the way we hunt.
So this day keeps getting better and better. Now it's raining hard. And our escape raft.
We've been all over the U.S. and a few countries hunting and fishing. And now we want to take you on those adventures with us.
And if you stick around, we're going to try to share some tips and tricks with you, so hopefully you can do the same thing. So check us out.